Hey guys, today's video is all about Leonardo AI avatar tutorial, meaning how you can create consistent characters using Leonardo AI. So first of all, if you are not already a user, you can sign up. I'm gonna click on this launch app button and here you can sign in using your email and name. But since I already do have an account, I'm gonna tap on this yes, I'm whitelisted button and it will open up this home page for me. Now, if you don't already know how to use Leonardo AI, we have already covered it in another video. This tutorial will only be about how you can create consistent characters. So watch till the end to know how you can get amazing consistent characters using Leonardo AI. And on image generation, we have any models we can select. For example, I'm gonna go with Stable Diffusion 2.1. And here is our first prompt, which I'm gonna use. We can also add some negative prompts like what I already have here, or I'm gonna use this one instead, and click on the generate button. And here we have some images, but if you take a look, all of these characters look so different from each other. They are not alike and we cannot call them consistent. So how can we make our art consistent? Well, on Leonardo AI, we can trick the prompt by giving the character a name. For example, we have this woman. I gave my character the name Cassandra. Also make sure to write named before the name so the prompt recognizes that okay, so this woman has a name which is Cassandra. Now if you take a look, you can see that even if they are not exactly similar, but they have similar style of clothes, of hair, and they're all holding some sort of a weapon. But you can also make it even more perfect. You can choose a different model. Like for example, we can go with RPG 4.0, and maybe also by changing this prompt, like instead of sci-fi clothes, I could go with samurai or like an assassin. And here we have some other results. And as you can see, these images are very similar. Their faces and their style look all alike. You can definitely recognize them to be similar. Also, by the way, naming can be really problematic, but it is an important step to getting your artwork just right. And I'm going to use this website here, behindthename.com, because here we can get a lot of names, because sometimes, as humans, we tend to forget names and all these things. So this makes it a lot easier to remember the names. You don't even have to remember the name. You can just come here and search any alphabet name, etc. Like for example, I'm gonna go with Edlin next time. I'm just gonna copy that for now. And if I click on the generate again, and let's see some more results. We already did 4 artworks with this character and they are all pretty similar. And here we have some more artworks, and if you take a look, they also look similar to the other ones and also with each other. This one also resembles this one and this one. Basically, in all of these pictures, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, I think these are all same characters with little bit of adjustments. Now what if we were to change something in this sentence? For example, we wanted to, but suddenly let's say we wanted her to be in a different situation, like this is a post-apocalyptic dark fantasy, but maybe we wanna put her in a village of some sort. So if we do that, let's see what happens then. Okay, not bad, even though they don't look exactly like our previous results, but they're still really similar. They resemble in the style and in the way the artwork is drawn around the face and how the posture of the character is. The postures are really similar. So yeah, even if you change the look of your artwork, it is still going to be consistent. But let's try something different. What if you like some art on this website and you want to create consistent characters using that artwork as the source? Well, you can do so by simply choosing any artwork. Well, if I find something good, and the first thing you need to do is tap on this remix button. And here we have the prompt from that avatar, blue humanoid avatar, and here we can give it a name. Like I'm gonna say named, then I'll take the name from this website. For example, we would go with Aiden, and I will click generate. And as you can see, we have some really nice looking characters who resemble each other and they have similar style and effects. And we can also try this by adjusting our prompt a little bit. For example, I can remove this part and see what happens then. I'm gonna click on the generate button again. Remember, these were our previous results and we have changed some of our prompt to see how that performs on a different environment. And even then, as you can clearly see, they have given us amazing results. And as you can see, even though we have changed and removed some of our prompt, they have still given us consistent character images, which is a really nice thing. And you can imagine how we can use these naming conventions to create a lot of cool and consistent artworks. We can also do this on any sort of images you would like. For example, we can do this on this one, or we can do this on this one. You can try it on anything you would like. For an instance, I will show you another example. For example, I'll go with this image, and again I'm gonna click on this remix button, and then where it says a beautiful Chinese woman, I'm gonna give her a name. This time we're using the Dream Shaper V7 model because this was used in the original artwork. And now we have some cool looking results. As you can see, all the characters wear the same clothes and have similar face and hair are also the same color, especially the character which is our focus. The character has similar clothes. Actually, they are the exact same clothes that she's wearing, with a little bit different in style. Of course, they might not be exactly similar, but the point is the character looks a lot like in the other images. Well, this was it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Also, you should definitely check out this video, and if you took value, let us know or give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.